In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically move emails to folders in Gmail. We'll be doing this using Gmail's built-in filters and labels. Filters are rules that Gmail follows as soon as a new email arrives, and labels act like folders that help you organize those messages. Once this is set up, Gmail will sort your emails for you, saving you a lot of time and keeping your inbox clean. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and making sure you're signed in to the correct account. At the top right, click the gear icon to open the Settings menu. Then choose See All Settings. This takes you to the full settings page where all the advanced options live. Along the top of this page, there's a row of tabs. Find and click the one called Filters and Blocked Addresses. This is where you can create rules that tell Gmail what to do with certain types of messages. Now, click on Create a New Filter. A small window will pop up with several fields you can use to define which emails you want to target. For example, you might type a specific email address into the From field if you want all emails from that sender to go to a folder automatically. You can also filter by subject, by words that appear in the email, or even by messages that have attachments. Take a moment to think about what kind of emails you want to move. Maybe it's newsletters, receipts, notifications, or messages from your boss. The more specific you are here, the more accurate your filtering will be. Once you've filled in the criteria, click Create Filter at the bottom of the window. The next screen asks what you want Gmail to do with emails that match your conditions. To move them into a folder, check Apply the label. Then choose an existing label from the list, or click New Label to create a fresh one. Labels can be named anything you like, such as Work, Bills, or Newsletters. If you also want to keep these emails out of your main inbox, you can check Skip the Inbox, archive it. You can also apply the filter to matching conversations you already have, which is useful if you want to clean up older emails in one go. When you're happy with your choices, click Create Filter to save it. From now on, any new email that matches your rules will automatically get that label and move into its folder, keeping your inbox more organized with zero extra effort.